Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Are you all fine?
Good morning, sir.
Sir and sir.
Yes, I am also fine. Are you ready for your class?
Yes, sir.
So, yesterday we were talking about the topic scientific notations, and we did some questions related to 1 marks as well as 2. We are continuing the same topic. Because of disturbance by electricity cutoff, we are unable to complete the topic. We'll continue same thing today. So let's move forward. We're in question number 7. Find the product of 0.0245 and you can count the number. It is 30 crore and write it in scientific notation. So simple question is there. We have to find out the product of 0.0245 and 3, and after that there are 8 zeros. It is 0.0245. You have to multiply by using your calculator. It is 73,50,000, and in scientific notation we can write it as 7.35 into 10 to the power 6. Up to here we completed yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Now we can do the same question by different method also. That means by converting this 0.0245 as well as 30 crore into scientific notation. First my inner scientific notation में convert करा, then you can multiply. That is another method. That means 0.0245, it is equal to 2.45 into 10 to the power minus 2. You decimal like 2 digit right side तरफ move करो. So it becomes 2.45 into 10 to the power minus 2. Similarly, this one 30 crore is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8. Now multiply the numbers which are at first before 10 to the power something and add the powers of 10 power of tens, and you will get 2.45 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus 8. 2.45 into 3, it is 7.35, and 10 to the power minus 2 plus 8, it is 6, and which is our required answer. It is clear?
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, 0.0245 मा 245 त्यो पछाडिको छ त्यसको 2 को पछाडि पोइन्ट किन राख्ने?
We have to put decimal after a digit. एउटा digit पछि decimal राख्ने हो scientific notation मा लेख्दा.
Yes, sir.
एउटा decimal 2 को पछाडि decimal राख्दा 2 digit हामीले right side तिर move गर्यौं. So there is power minus 2.
Yes, sir.
It's okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now look at questions related to 4 marks. Simplify and write down the result in scientific notation. 8.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 3.9 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 7 into 4.3 into 10 to the power minus 3, it is given. So at first we have to simplify the numerators, similarly simplify the denominators, and after simplifying numerator and denominator, divide the numerator by denominator. First मा numerator simplify गर, denominator पनि simplify गर, त्यसपछि numerator लाई denominator ले multiply गरेपछि, sorry, divide गरेपछि answer आइहाल्छ. So it is also simple question, not difficult. Write this one as it is at first in its solution and remove the brackets or You can write the third step directly. यसमा मैले केही पनि गरेको छैन, just I removed the brackets from the first step. So after removing the brackets from first step, then multiply the values without power of 10. 10 को power नभएको भ्यालुहरु, that means 8.6 into 3.9. Similarly 3.6 into 4.3. Multiply these as well as add the powers of 10 in numerator as well as in denominator. So in its solution, you can write this third step directly. You step directly लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ, it is not necessary. Bracket remove नगरिकन पनि 8.6 into 3.9, 3.6 into 4.3, and their powers are added. Okay, it is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 8.6 into 3.9, multiply these two. 8.6 into 3.9,
33.54.
33.54, and 3.6 into 4.3,
15.48.
okay. In powers, -3 and -6, it will be -9, -3 and -7 and -3, it will be -10. 33.54 into 10 power -9 and 15.48 into 10 to the power -10. Now divide this 33.54 by 15.48. You 33.54 like 15.48 divide garnu paryo aba. Divide it.
2.16.
2.166666 you will get up to infinity. So write 2.1667 by rounding it off. 667 round off garda euta add huncha, that will become 667 or 67. And
Yes, sir.
there is 10 power -9 in numerator as well as 10 power -10 in denominator. While taking this 10 power -10 in numerator, we have to add the power -7 plus huncha, plus bhayeko bhaye minus huन्थ्यो. So it is 2.1667 into 10 to the power -9 plus 10. And what is the value of -9 plus 10?
1.
1 only, and it is our required answer. Is there any confusion in it?
No, sir.
And we can solve the same question by a different method also. Look at this method. 8.6 into 10 to the power -3. What we can write it in decimal? यसलाई decimal number मा लेख्दा के लेख्न सकिन्छ?
0.0086.
0.0086. Okay. Similarly, what we can write for it? Second one, 3.9 into 10 power -6. 0.000039, isn't it? 5 वटा 0 त्यसपछि 39 हुने भयो. 5 zeros and 1 this 3. Similarly here also 0.6036. Similarly for last one it will be 0.0043. We can write in this way. Now multiply the numerators. माथि को multiply गरा, त्यसपछि तलको पनि multiply गरा. Use your own calculators. Multiply numerators, multiply denominators, and now divide the numerator by denominator. माथि को value लाई तलको value divide गरा. You will get 21.667, and it can be written as 2.167 into 10 to the power 1. This is our required answer. Is this clear to you all?
सर सिम्प्लिफाई गरेछ भने त्यो सिम्प्लिफाई को क्वेशनहरुमा आन्सरलाई फेरि क्वेशन बनाउन सकिन्छ.
Answer like question बनाउन सकिन्छ, तर फेरि स्टेपहरु त्यही जुन स्टेप हामीले सिम्प्लिफाई को क्वेशन्सहरु दिएको छ, सरी सिम्प्लिफाई को स्टेपहरु जुन हामी माथिबाट फलो गर्दै जान्छौं त्यही प्रोसेस उल्टो गर्दै गयो भने त क्वेशन बनाउन सकिन्छ नि. बट त्यहाँ किन एड गर्यौं किन मल्टिप्लाई गर्यौं किन सबट्र्याक्ट गर्यौं त्यो कुराहरु याद गर्नुपर्ने हो वी कान्ट राइट विथ द रिजन त्यहाँ हुँदैन अटोमेटिकली कुनै भ्यालुहरु एड गर्नुपर्ने हुन सक्छ कुनै भ्यालुहरु सबट्र्याक्ट गर्नुपर्ने हुन सक्छ
Yes, sir.
so there is no confusion in this question
No, sir.
very simple question is there for 4 marks now look at next question simplify 8 into 10 to the power 5 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 whole square divided by 32 into 10 to the power minus 13. This is the question given to us. So at first we can write it as 8 into 10 to the power 5 into what is the power of 2? 2 square. What is the value of 2 square?
4.
4. And value of 10 power minus 8 square?
Minus 16.
Minus 16. We have to multiply the power. Just remember it. And same thing we have to do in the second step. First step is same. We have to copy the question. In second step, multiply the powers. And 2 square it is 4. Other things I left as it is. 8 into 10 power 5 remains as it is. 2 square 4 and 10 power minus 8 square 10 power minus 16. Now 8 into 4. What is the value of 8? 8 into 4?
32.
32 into 10 to the power 32 into 10 to the power 5 minus 16 that will remain in numerator, isn't it? 32 into 10 to the power 5 minus 16 in denominator 32 into 10 to the power minus 13. So what is cancelled here? These two
32.
are cancelled. Or if 32 is divided by 32, it remains 1 only.
Yes, sir.
That we have to know. And what is the value of 5 minus 16?
Minus 11.
Minus 11. So remaining value here is 1 into 10 to the power minus 11 divided by 10 to the power minus 13. It is not necessary to write here 1 if there is simplify only. Simplify matrai cha bhane यो लेखिराख्नु पर्दैन 1 नलेखे पनि हुन्छ. But if it is said simplify and write the answer in scientific notation, in that case we have to convert it into scientific notation. Minus 13 जुन अघिल्लो स्टेपमा डिनोमिनेटरमा थियो माथि लैजाँदा के हुन्छ त it will be plus 13 minus 11 plus 13. So it is equal to 1 into 10 square. If it is said to write in scientific notation, this is our answer. Scientific notation my answer यही हो. But if it is not said, just only simplify, then 10 square we can write here 100. Last ma 100 लेखे पनि हुन्छ. Okay. Or we can leave it as it is. It is equal to 10 square is 100. If it is not said anything, if it is not said to write it in scientific notation, our answer will be 100. Okay. Or we can leave it as it is also. यस्तै छोडिदिए पनि हुन्छ, or you can write 100. It is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now this much type of questions are here in chapter of scientific notation. I'm going to give some questions to you. Those you can do here. Just do these questions and send answer to me in chat now. Or not possible to write in power in chat. So send the, you may show by opening your camera. Question is write 2875 and then 6 zeros are there, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, then arab. 2 arab, 87 crore, 50 lakh in scientific notation. And next question is write 0 point, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros and 7025 in scientific notation. So these questions are here for you.
So 2.875 into 10 को power 8.
10 को power. Are you talking in Nepali or English?
10 power 8.
10 to the power 875. Sorry, 10 power 8. 2.875 into 10 to the power 8 or 9.
9. 1, 2.
9.
Count the
9.
digits.
9, 9.
8, 7, 5. 3 digits. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 2.875 into 10 to the power 9. 10 को power 9 भन्ने नेपालीमा पढ्दाखेरि भन्ने हो. You are talking in English. 2.875 into 10 to the power 9. Now say the answer of next one.
7.025 into 10 to the power 11
Minus 11.
minus 11.
7.025 into 10 to the power
Minus 11.
minus 11.
Yes, sir.
Others also did it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you observing the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it is 11. So answer of it is 7.025 into 10 to the power minus 11. Okay, all of you look at next third question. Do it in your copy fast. So what do you have to do it in solution? के गर्नुपर्ने हो? We did the similar question previously also.
Divide.
3.25 is divided by 1.625 and 10 को power minus 5 से यो माथि गएर plus हुन्छ. 10 to the power minus 5 is added to the power in numerator. तलको power माथि गएर plus हुन्छ, माथि तल minus भएको हुनाले. Otherwise if there is positive sign we have to subtract in numerator. Easily you will get the answer.
2 into 10 power minus 5.
2 into 10 to the power minus 5. Others
Yes, sir.
also.
Yes, sir.
2 into 10 to the power.
Minus 5.
Minus
5.
How many of you did it? Can you
Sure.
raise your hand? You know how to raise the hand?
Yes, sir.
Yamuna raised the hand. Sanjog raised the hand. 2 did. 3. Others don't know. Go to participants and then there will be option to raise the hand, or inside the 3 dots or more options there will be the option to raise the hand. Up to now only 4 raised the hand. Others are not doing. 5. Anshu Bhatta, Aryan Panta, Priyanka Dahal raised the hand. Others are inactive. 6 raised the hand. Tauranjang Bomb have completed. Okay. Pawan Bhatt done. So all of you completed fast. Okay, you may lower your hands now. Completed or it is remaining for some of you?
As a scientific notation of 0.00002.
You need the answer for that. What you said, 0.
0.00040, sir.
4 zeros and
2.
2. It is equal to 2 into 10 to the power. We have to count the digits up to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power minus 5. 10 to the power, it will be minus 5.
Yes.
Okay, now next question. Question number 4 is your homework. Sorry, classwork. It is similar as question number 8, which we did today. Are you observing on your screen?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Simplify 7.2 into 10 to the power 17 into 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 2.5 into 10 to the power 10. It is similar question as we did question number 8 today. So do it and get its answer. So at least one question will be there from this chapter in your BLE. BLE set मा कम से कम एउटा question हुन्छ, either for 1 marks or for 2 marks or for 4 marks. सबै टाइपको क्वेसन आउँछ भन्ने छैन. Sometime 2 questions will be there. बढीमा 2टा हुन्छ, otherwise only 1 question, either of 4 marks or 2 or 1. How many of you have completed its solution?
Sir, doing.
6 into 10 power 6.
6 into 10 to the power 6.
Yes, sir.
Others also completed. Let me confirm the answer.
Completed, sir.
What answer you get? Same or different?
6 into 10 to the power 6, sir.
Okay. Others?
Same, sir.
Okay, it is also completed and you got the answer. 6 into 10 to the power 6 or 6.0 into 10 to the power 6. That you can write in its answer. So this much for today, and from this chapter scientific notation. If any problem comes from same chapter, you can ask to me. Next thing is, if any problem comes, you know, we are connected to each other in Messenger, that means through Facebook. You can contact me there also, and you can take my phone number 9848729260 in any problem related to subject matter or any problems related to school information, notices, etc. You can call me. I already said about it, and you can mail me in this email address also. It is given here also, pd.joshi2049@gmail.com. You can watch the videos of your online classes by searching my name in YouTube. You'll get the channel there. And thank you very much. This much for today. Have a great day.
Sir.